just want to say thank you for Cole, first of all, for coming here to help us with the whole installation. He was very skillful and helpful throughout the whole process. Without him, I'm pretty sure you had a lot of complications. We had like a different type of design, and then when Cole came here, he was like suggesting better ways for us to do the whole installation, which helped a lot. Putting the HMI right there, the communication board, putting the fan there, the exhauster right next to it, which helped a lot. We had like a different plan on the wiring. Cole came and then gave us like a little advice how to do, like where to install the cables as well, which was very grateful. And he also showed us a lot of the cuttings for the escutcheons, which we're gonna be doing with the switchboards that we do the installation. Yeah, Cole was very punctual. All the questions was answered fully, without no extent. Very friendly, punctual. I say pick it up at 7. He was there at 7 already there waiting for me. Yeah, it was great for having Cole here. Thank you so much.